How to turn on email notifications on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Then scroll down the main list to find and tap on Mail. You can manage all your mail settings from here. Go to Notifications as shown. From here, go to the top and turn on the Allow Notifications feature. You can then choose how you want to be alerted, as some more options are available now. Then, tap on Sounds to change the sound settings of your notifications. You can also turn on the Badges feature below. This will show the number of unread emails as a badge on the Mail app icon. Following these steps, you can easily turn on email notifications on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.